Hello everyone, it's Tom here from TechNexus and thanks for joining me on today's video. Yesterday we updated our plant model with the towel column from one of the p&ids and the two pumps that you can see here on screen. We did sort of place them in the positions that we initially thought would help with the project. So you can see here I'm walking around inside Navisworks just to get an idea on what the site is going to look like, and if we look up we can sort of get an idea on the perspective of what our site is going to be. So if you would notice from probably a couple of videos back, we initially started putting our plant project into InfraWorks as well. So what I want to do is update that InfraWorks model with this newer model. So within Navisworks we just again export an FBX file and stick it on my desktop. Okay, and now that new FBX has this piece of equipment in it. So if I switch back to InfraWorks now, you can see there's my original file that I placed, and if I go over here on the right and look at it, it's called Overall Site 3D Model, and it's there on my desktop. So I can just click on that and then click on the Refresh Data Source button. And there you can see that model has been updated and living on my desktop there. So again, you could do this whether it's daily, whether it's weekly or monthly. We can start sort of getting an idea on what this site is going to look like. So you can see if I sort of switch down here, and I can just get an idea, looking from the sort of looking towards the southeast, I can see that is what the site is going to look like. If I really wanted to, we can sort of come over here, maybe start doing a little bit of sun and sky on here, so I can get an idea and see where the shadows are going to fall, if that is something that is pertinent to your project. Now again, it doesn't necessarily have to be just for plant, it could be for Revit, it could be for Civil 3D, it could be for anything at all. So you can see also if we change the date during the year, we've got a change in the shadows there, and we can adjust a few things just to make it look more pretty and more realistic. But for the time being, that's how we update our InfraWorks model with all of our latest plant stuff. So tomorrow I'm going to jump into probably a little bit more equipment, so I might put in the reboiler, the heat exchanger, and I might also demonstrate placing that bigger tank that we have there, and we do have to adjust that structural base or that foundation for that, so we'll go through all of that tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Click on the bell icon to get notified of my daily videos, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.